Okay. Everything's over. I failed. Climbing commands? This used to be where they climbed? What the deuce? There's the climbing wall, just the back of it. That's where you get off. Oh, there's that bus again. Probably deserted. I don't think anyone uses it. There's a trailer that I doubt anyone lives in. Bus, trailer. Okay. Low batteries.
This is the first group that's did that so far.
What?
Waited to follow me.
Up top, you're the leader.
The first group. You know what happened?
Guys.
The first group, all the other groups so far, they take off walking and they take off any which way they want. All right, that's how you die. Good job.
We died.
You guys, I all you need a ticket so far. Everybody got one ticket.
Okay, going to survive. Whoa, downstairs. Going down the street. Going down. Same trail we did on the night hike. You know what? Night hike trail. I know I did. They're part of the night hike trail. Okay. There's the pool.
Okay, one thing we're going to do on our way down there before we start. I want you guys on the way, it doesn't have to take forever, but one thing that's going to help you guys out, if you can find something like this because it's still wet, I want you to grab about a handful of this. If you can hear it crack, use it. And I just want you to break it up like that. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How's everybody this morning?
Oh, pretty good so far. Yep. So, what you're going to do is just grab a handful. If you can hear it snap, that's good. All right, you're going to use this, and it's going to help you survive down the line today. All right, this is real good. You hear that snap? All right, that's what we're looking for. So if you can grab about a handful like this and just throw it in your pocket, all right, just put it in your pocket. We'll use it later on the day. All right.
There's some over here, guys.
All right, they're all over the place. All right, doesn't have to be big. Nope. You don't want something real big. You want it small. Hey guys, there's a lot more down here. We're going down this way.
Okay, got my sticks.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oops. Yep. 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 And snap.
You ready?
Yep.
You're gonna get lost. You charged with your batteries?
Yeah. It died on me yesterday.
I was with you when it died.
Pockets. Going down a hill. It's hard. Not fun. Down a hill, down a hill. We're still going on the trip. This is the lake where you do the paddle boats. Those are fun. Whoa! I tripped. That's a big stick. Don't know what that's for. And you'll notice, if this can zoom in out, hopefully you can see lots of chopped wood. It looks like there's some loggers here for a few days, maybe yesterday. That wasn't there last night.
Alright, we're going to go sit in the first two rows of bleachers right there. Go ahead, just go grab a seat.
Taking a seat. Taking a seat.
First two rows over here. Ladies. First two rows over here.
Over here. Okay, you need to scoot over.
Okay, now we're not going to spend a lot of time over here, but we do have to go over a little bit of information. Alright, to help you guys out and get you ready for the quiz tonight. For the moment.
I think we have a little bit too much.
Oh, go ahead and sit. Go ahead and sit right there. You can sit right there. You guys all can sit. Do we have 20 in this one?
No, 19, don't we?
Yeah, we had 19 all the time. Alright, so a couple things we're going to go over. Now, some of you guys are going to have to remember this. Alright, some of them, there's going to be a couple facts. Remember, I don't tell you stuff unless you're going to need it. If you're in my class, you should know that. Alright, so 5 basic needs in a survival situation. This is what we're going to go over. Anybody know one of them?
Water.
Water's 1.
Fire.
Fire's 2.
Shelter.
Shelter's 3. Huh?
Compass.
Compass? Not really. We said food, didn't we? We got fire, water, shelter, food. Anybody know what else? Last one.
Wood.
Nope. Distress signal. Alright. So those are the 5 basic needs in a survival situation. How to avoid a survival situation. The first way to avoid it is to be in physically fit shape. If you are out of shape, would it be a good idea to go out by yourself and do a 20-mile hike?
No.
No. All right, if you know you're not in shape, and guess what? People do it every day. All right, and you hear all over the place, somebody gets lost up in the mountains, camping and stuff like that. And that's one of the things that you can prevent. All right, if you know you're not in shape, I wouldn't go out too long. I wouldn't go out I'd go out for a 1 mile and then make sure I can make it back without hurting myself. Equipment and clothing. It's nice right now, but if I'm gonna go camping or hiking, should I always be prepared?
Yes.
You can never have too much stuff when you're going out camping or hiking. That means an extra sweatshirt, all right, a couple snacks, because all it takes you to do is get lost for a couple hours, and guess what? Now, once that sun goes down, it gets cold. If you have that extra jacket, or you forget your way and you need something to snack on, you have that food to protect it. So, equipment, clothing, planning a route. One way to stay out of trouble is if you know where you want to go. So say you come up to Yosemite and you say, I'm going to go for a hike. Figure out the route you're planning on going. All right, don't just say, oh, I'll play it by ear. Because what you're going to learn today is if you don't follow the markers, it's going to be easy to get lost. Alright, because guess what? All those trees look alike. Alright, personnel. Alright, nobody wants to walk around?
Nope.
Okay, so what, I'll go across first.
I'll stay back if you want
But I don't want to hold this
Alright,
one.
Oh! Ow! That hurt. Just fell into that stuff. Here. We got walk across the
Be right in the middle where the pathway's at.
right.
You want me to go help you? You got it? Okay.
Look up the log. You're fine.
You're good.
Next.
Good job.